welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sew your own wave, guys. Actually, it's a wave I would like to use for clip in, but the video will be too much long, so I wouldn't waste too much of your time watching a video of maybe 20 minutes or 25 minutes. So in this video I will first of all show you how you can do the wave alone, and then in my next video I will show you how I add the clip in the wave. So as you can see in the video, I have already started with one pack of hair extension. I'm using 2 packs of hair extension and I cut it into 2 each pack, and so I'm going to crochet it, taking a little bit pieces, some small pieces to crochet it. I will show you closely how you can do it. You can crochet it in any way, from front or from the back, all is good. Just focus on one way, the way you feel comfortable with, because I used to see many people using the other side from the back, but I feel comfortable doing it from the front side, which is this side. So and that's how I did it. I'll show you how I achieve the hair actually. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. So guys, at this point we are done with the crochet, and this is enough for my little hair. We are going to continue with a solid tape, guys, a thread which we are going to use to make the curls, and my machine is made of, it's an electric machine. It's electric, and if you want, guys, I will put the name in the description box and the link, and it have so many options. I love it. It is a gift from my hobby and I love it. I have spent more than 5 years with this machine. I don't actually use it because sewing is some of the subjects I didn't like in school. Sorry for that, but now I am forced to use it for many other things. Yeah, so that's it. So I went ahead and used the solid tape and clip my wig from the 2 sides, up and down, so left and right, to be able to sew very easily, so that the machine wouldn't have problem rolling on the solid tape, because if you don't put solid tape, the hair will be flying all over. So that's the reason of the solid tape, but you have to be concentrate so that you wouldn't sew on the solid tape, and that's how I did. You should focus more on where you are going to sew. It is not difficult, but you just need more attention on that. So continue watching, guys. to summarize a little bit, I use one line thread. Yeah, we have so many lines, we have the zigzag and so on, so I use one line, and I went ahead and sew three. I use 4 times. Normally you can sew 3 times, but I use 4 times because I wanted something a little bit solid, and this is how it came out. You can easily remove the solid tape and you are done. I'm showing you how you can do your curls without having straw or without having sticks. This is the local way actually. This is what our parents were doing in that old time, and it works also. So this is the Bantu knot that people have been doing. These are old things that were going on before. So I'm going to show you how it works also when you want to achieve this style using only thread. Just take your thread and hang a little part of that. Use that small part and hold the hair extension. Just start rolling without tightening the extension. Just roll the thread on it, loosen it, so that you'll be able to pull the thread later and then tighten the end. So that's it. It is not difficult, guys. You know it. Most of African girls know how to do it, but this is a tutorial for those who don't know how to achieve this style. Now we are going to proceed with hot water. The water is not too hot, but it is hot. So we are going to dump it in the hot water. And that's it. cream them a little bit, and voila, our curls are ready. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.